Why does an object fall on the earth? Whenever we push anything upward, it again falls back to earth. All is due to the gravitational force of the earth. Gravitational attraction is actually the attraction between two objects. This force is directly proportional to the product of their masses and is inversely proportional to distance between their distances. Gravitational force of the earth is 9.8 meter per second. When we throw anything in the upward direction, it falls down because the earth's gravitational force pulls it back. We are also constantly being pulled by the earth, but we don't fall because we are already on the surface of the earth. If anything is thrown up high and it reaches its escape velocity 7 miles per second or 25,000 miles per hour, the object will not fall back on the earth because the earth's gravitational force then becomes weak as per the comparison of the distance of the object. So it will get failed in pulling such object back to earth. What is a bubble? A bubble is a thin film of soapy water. Most of the bubbles that you see are filled with air, but you can make a bubble using other gases such as carbon dioxide. The film that makes the bubble has 3 layers. A thin layer of water is sandwiched between 2 layers of soap molecules. Each soap molecule is oriented so that its polar hydrophilic head may face the water, while its hydrophobic hydrocarbon tail extends away from the water layer. No matter what shape a bubble has initially, it will try to become a sphere. The sphere is the shape that minimizes the surface area of the structure, which makes it the shape that requires the least energy to achieve. Why are wind-pollinated flowers very light? The type of reproduction in plants is usually occurred with the help of the pollination process, which mainly occurs in flowers. Pollination is a technique in which the pollen is transferred from the male to the female part of flowers. One flower can only have a male part or a female part, and thus the pollen needs some carriers to transfer pollen grains from one flower to another. Nature is the provider of all. It provides 2 basic methods of pollination. One is by the help of animals and insects. The other is by the wind. The flowers which are wind pollinated are so light in weight that they get carried away by even the light currents of the air. They are usually unscented, small in size and light in weight. The main reason for them to be light-weighted is simply to get carried away by the wind to pollinate some other flowers. Why is cancer a dangerous disease? There are many studies done on cancer, and now curable steps are invented for cancer. But still cancer is found out to be dangerous because it is not that easy to find out the symptoms of cancer at an early stage. In early stages, only if cancer is detected, then doctors can be able to cure it. In last stages, after 3, there will not be any possible solution to cancer to be cured. Hence, it is declared to be still a dangerous disease. It is a wild disease that elaborates in body cells and tissues, and this process is fast enough to form health hazards. The major point is that cancer has so many types and so many categories that it becomes really difficult to fight against it. Keeping all these points and evidences, cancer is declared to be a dangerous disease. Still, some people are trying to see cancer as 100% curable disease.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.